Everybody, hello. Today we are in Kitchen Cooks. I am playing as Sun right now. I know it's been a while, so this is the first time in a bit. I will have the actor for Star, play with me at some point when she's not busy. She's currently busy, so we can't really do that. So, we're gonna see if I can play this. And, yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay, so I guess we're making a pizza. It's been a while. Okay. And then that didn't work. There. I don't want to drop this on the floor. There we go. Get in there. Are you kidding me? Why'd that? Ugh. Oh my god. Is it not gonna let me cook the pizza? Where'd the pizza? There we go. I guess it needs to be like, no, I don't want that side. There we go. Does it need like meat or something? I'll bring this over the cutting boards. But cut. It's not working. Where'd it go? I guess I'm not gonna question where it went. We're not making a pizza no more. Well, I can make an onion soup. But I don't want to. You know, it's the best I can do. Where's the onion? There it is. Onion. In there, and then there we go. Pick up the ladle. There isn't any plates. Here's a plate. I guess we could put it in here. Oh shoot, onion soup. There! Onion soup. I'll just... Did I make money from that? I didn't. I feel like this is rude because I spent time making... I didn't spend that much. This is pretty good. I don't know why I'm here though. I shouldn't. This is weird. You know what? Moon bring me here. I'm leaving. Son, you can't leave. Yes, I can. I'm leaving. Goodbye. Son, you do realize you didn't have to walk all the way back, right? Are you gonna keep ignoring me, or are you gonna finally start talking to me again? Sorry if I messed up. What are you talking about? You didn't mess up anything. You know what? Never mind. I have some things I need to do. You can rest or nap or something. I'm, like, not in the mood to do anything. I don't even remember what I was working on. Let's see. My eyes, like, really still shouldn't be red. They should have changed back by now. You know what? Not my problem. I'm gonna deal with it. But it's still weird. son. Yeah? I'm sorry for dragging us to that kitchen. I understand cooking is, like, worse considering the fact that it's, like, really, really freaking dirty in there. It's fine. I mean, I like cooking. It's just cooking is, like, a pain sometimes when you have to do things. I'm aware. I really, didn't mean to. Also, Moon, why are you bald? Excuse me? Why are you bald? I'm not bald. Yes, you are. I have razor hair. You're bald. You don't have anything on your head other than a hat, and it's a hat. Excuse me, you're like half bald. You wear a hat too. I may wear a hat. Doesn't mean I'm bald though, because I have hair. No, okay. I'm going to bed. I'm, like, done with you. I'm sorry, but, like, I'm done. Ugh. Why do I always feel like somebody's watching me? I have no idea what you're talking about, son, but we're gonna deal with that later. Well, I don't feel like it's a problem, but, Okay, whatever. Also, Moon, do you think we could talk to Star about the thing that happened to you a bit ago? I, like, really don't want to talk about it, especially to Star. I don't want to put any pressure on her. She's sleeping. Well, maybe we'll talk to her tomorrow. Maybe. I mean, she's been offline for a while. Her systems, like, her motherboard was, like, burnt to, like, a crisp. Understandable. She, like, got stuck. Well, yeah, but still. Whatever. I'm powering off now. Moon.exe. Powering off.